Hi, today we'll be doing YLOC 7th grade math lesson 2. The first problem is 6,321 plus 4,789. 1 plus 9 is 10, we would carry to 1. 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11, we would carry to 1. 1 plus 3 plus 7 is 11, and we would carry to 1. And 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11, which would give us a total answer of 11,110. The next problem is 14,856 times 9,374. 6 minus 4 is 2. We would take out from 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. We would take out from 1. And 14 minus 9 is 5, giving us a total answer of 5,482. The next problem is 8,902 plus 5,624. 2 plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15, and we would carry to 1. And 1 plus 8 plus 5 is 14, giving us a total answer of 14,526. Now we'll move on to the next section. For multiplication, our first problem is 142 times 29. 2 times 9 is 18. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 37. And 1 times 9 is 9, and we would add the 3, which would give us 12. We would add a 0 on the bottom here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. And when we add that all up, that'll give us a total answer of 4,118. Next problem is 63 times 45. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 5 is 30. We would add 1, which should be 31. 3 times 4 is 12. And 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And when we add that all up, that'll give us a total answer of 2,835. So the next problem is 87 times 32. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16, and we would add 1, which would be 17. 7 times 3 is 21. And 8 times 3 is 24, and we would add the 2 to give us 26. 4 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. And when we add that all up, it will give us 2,784 as our final answer. Now we'll move on to the next section, which is division. We do 1,092 divided by 36. 36 goes into 109 3 times. We would get a difference of 1, and we would drop down to 2. 36 doesn't go into 12, so just put a 30, or just put a 0. Now we would drop a 0 and add a decimal point. 36 goes into 120 3 times. that'll give us a difference of 12. We will drop another 0. 36 goes into 123 times. And now we can just see the answer will be repeated, so we can just round to 30.33. Okay, so now I'll move on to the next section, which is algebra and fractions. So our first problem is 4x plus 9 is equal to 29. So we want to isolate x to equal to something. So we would subtract 9 on both sides. And that will give us 4x is equal to 20. And we want x by itself, so we divide by 4. And that would equal to x is equal to 5. So we'll do 6x minus 4 is equal to 20. We want to isolate for x, so we add 4 on both sides. 6x is equal to 24. We'll divide by 6 on both sides to get x by itself. And 24 divided by 6 is 4, so x is equal to 4. The last problem of this section is 3x plus 7 is equal to 25. To get x by itself, we'll subtract by 7 on both sides. That'll give us 3x is equal to 18. And we'll subtract by 3 to get x by itself. Or we'll divide by 3. And 18 divided by 3 is 6, so x is equal to 6. Now we'll be simplifying fractions. So 36 over 48, we would start off with by dividing by a simple number like 4. So 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9, and 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. That'll give us 9 over 12. Now we could still divide 9 over 12 by 3 each. So we do that. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our simplified fraction will be 3 over 4. So we can start off small numbers and work our way to the simplified fraction. So 64 over 80. We can start small by using a number such as 4. So 64 divided by 4 is 16, and 80 divided by 4 is 20. Now we can divide by 4 again. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. And we can't simplify 4 and 5 further, so our simplified fraction would be 4 over 5.